Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram story if it got a bad quality after uploading. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your profile. Right here at the top right, we have the three horizontal lines. So just tap on it and wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and find data usage and media quality. Okay. Right here under your app and media. So just tap on it and make sure that you disable data saver. Also, media upload quality right here. Enable this toggle that says upload at highest quality. Okay. And then once that's done, make sure that you don't use mobile data when you upload. Okay. Go ahead and use Wi-Fi, as high quality uploads require a strong internet connection. Weak connections force Instagram to lower the quality. Also, when you're using a mobile data, okay, make sure that data saver is turned off. Now, once that's done, again, use Wi-Fi, and after that, you're good to go. Now, if you want to have the best quality for your Instagram story, well, make sure that you don't use the built-in camera of Instagram right here, or do not use the Instagram camera. Okay, make sure that you use your phone's camera. Okay, so you'll have the option to maximize the resolution. Okay, or the quality. You go ahead and choose 4K, 2K, or even 1080p. Also, when you upload your story, do not use heavy filters, stickers, or adding music. Okay, as it can compress and reduce the quality of your story. Okay, it is just a compression thing by Instagram. All right, that's basically it. That is how you fix Instagram story if you got bad quality after uploading. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.